talk, egghead.
Not this time, you fool!
Whoa, what's up with my shoes? This is not working. I gotta get off the ground here. Please be wrong. Please be wrong. I gotta find Tails. Finding Tails would be a lot easier if everything was covered in grass and palm trees like it should be. Whoa! Ugh, sorry, kid. I don't bust up babies. Go home, change your diaper, think about your choices, and tell Eggman I'll deal with him later. Right now, I got a fox friend to find. Test me, Eggheads. Question. How do you tick off a hedgehog? Answer. Mess with his friends!
Sonic, it's broken! It's all broken!
Shadow? Uh-oh. I think I'm starting to hallucinate.
Let's stick together and we'll...
Perfect! I'm gonna ring up. Meet you there.
Sonic!
And we can wrap this up before dinner. Chili dogs. But first, just in case Eggman gets in a lucky shot, rings! To hit and run, but I got a split, Shadow! Fatty's this way, Fatty's that way. They're coming from both sides. All-star move!
Too late, Sonic!
Rebel! Knox! And Big Tails! Amy! These two will find it. Sorry, friends. Gotta go fast! Speeding dogs don't lie.
Sonic! I'm lost in the void!
Shadow?
You have to keep moving!
How could you... How is a baby so mean? Nine! You came!
When this is over, I'm going home and never looking back. Whether I go it alone is entirely up to you.
I knew you'd come back, buddy! I better check it out. Huh? What's going on?
Keep going! Do not stop!
Shadow? Ah! Dread, this is your second chance. You know how to do this.
Faster! Run as fast as your blue legs can go!
I don't lose races, especially not at the finish line. Come on, come on, come on, come on! Well, I'll be a salty sea dog.